So I just picked this guy up for 300 bucks. The only thing he told me was it doesn't have a transmission, and I was like, well, it looks like it's got a transmission to me. But I did notice this lever here was pulled out, and if that's pulled out, that lets you push the mower, if it shuts off or something, and then it has to be pushed in order to drive it. So I'm gonna see if that's the only thing it needs right there. Maybe they pulled it out, and I don't know. Let's see. Alright, so we're underneath it. The drive belt's on right. It's got good tension. I'm gonna have someone sit on it and press the gas pedal and see if I can see the shaft spinning here. I got the transmission out, so we're gonna check the fluid levels and see how it looks. Alright, so we got the plug out so we could check the oil level, and it doesn't look like there's hardly any in there for some reason, but the magnet looks pretty good. So we're gonna fill it back up, put it back in, and see what happens. I got it filled back up, and that took almost 2 quarts just to fill it back up. So hopefully that was our problem. All right, 2 days later, you can see the axle seal is leaking. So I ordered those a couple days ago, so we're gonna go ahead and put those in. And so I just used a flathead, jammed it in there, and then popped it out. So that's the old seal, if I can focus on that. So we got the new one right here. Alright, so that's back in. We're going to spray all this off and put the tire back on, drive it around for a little bit, make sure there's no more leaks. When this fill plug is accessible, I'm going to go ahead and pop that off and double check the fluid level and add a little more because quite a bit came out. Alright, problem number 2. The blades will not engage with the PTO unless I'm in reverse and I press the reverse override switch. Then it'll come on. So I took the switch off. It looks like it's kind of stuck halfway down, and I think that's why it's not coming off, or why the blades aren't coming on. So I'm going to try to pull the switch out and see if I can work it back and forth. All right, so it looks like that was the problem. All I did was spray some carb cleaner around it and just kind of tap it on the trailer to loosen it up. And now it sticks out quite a bit further, so we're going to put it back in. All right, it's back in, so let's see if it works. Nope. I forgot to plug it in! Woo! All right, so I'm going to clean this up, get the bagger on it, take some pictures, list it, and we'll see what it sells for. Look out for part 2.